Hello everyone, let's continue with this question. So here a request is given that 300 kilobyte, 25 kilobyte, 125 kilobyte and 50 kilobyte. These are the request. Partition is a variable partition scheme, right? So here variable partition schemes and two partitions are given and these are already allocated partitions, and now these two partitions are free, 150 kilobyte and 350 kilobyte, and we need to apply the first fit, best fit and worst fit, right? So which of the following algorithm or partition allocation method will satisfy the given request? Now let's try with first fit. So according to the first fit, where to store 300 kilobyte, so we'll store 300 kilobyte at this partition, right? So 300 kilobyte at this partition, then remaining is 50 kilobyte, right? 50 kilobyte is remaining. Now next is 20 25 kilobyte. 25 kilobyte according to the first fit, where to store? So according to the first fit, first sufficient partition, so this is what the first sufficient partition, and will store 25 kilobyte here. So remaining is 125 kilobyte. Now next one is 125 kilobyte. So where to store next this 125 kilobyte? So we'll store 125 kilobyte here. Okay, now remaining one is 50 kilobyte. Where to store 50 kilobyte? So this partition is free, so we'll store here in this partition. So so according to this one first fit, we can satisfy the given request. Okay, according to the first fit we can satisfy the given request. Now let's see the best fit. According to the best fit, can we satisfy? Let's apply best fit. So in case of best fit, first one is 300 kilobyte. Where to store? So best sufficient means minimum sufficient partition, है ना? Smallest sufficient partition. So which one is the smallest sufficient? That is this one. So 300 kilobyte here. So remaining partition, remaining size is 50 kilobyte. Okay, now next is 25 kilobyte. Where to store? So that is the smallest sufficient partition, so we'll store here. So out of that 25 we'll store here, and 25 is still available. Next 125. Where to store 125? So 125 we can store here. Still 25 is remaining. Now 50 kilobyte is there. Which one to store? Here 25 kilobyte, here 25 kilobyte, right? We cannot store 50 kilobyte here, right? So we cannot satisfy this request 50 kilobyte because partitions are scattered, 50 25 here, 25 here, right? So according to the best fit we cannot satisfy. Yes, is it clear? Till this part it is clear or not? क्लियर? ओके, बेस्ट फिट रिपीट करना है. ओके, चलो रिपीट करते हैं. लेट्स अप्लाई द बेस्ट फिट. तो बेस्ट फिट क्या होता है? we'll look for the first sufficient partition, sorry, best sufficient partition among the all partitions, और smallest sufficient partition among all the partitions. तो जितने भी partitions हैं उसमें से smallest sufficient सर्च करना है. फर्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट क्या है, 300 किलोबाइट। 300 किलोबाइट कहाँ पे सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हैं, इस वाले में। सो इस वाले में यहाँ तक 300 किलोबाइट हमने क्या कर दिया, सेटिस्फाई कर दिया। रिमेनिंग पार्टीशन बच गया कितना, 50 किलोबाइट। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 25 किलोबाइट। सो 25 किलोबाइट इसको कौन से वाले में स्टोर करेंगे, जो रिमेनिंग 50 बच गया इसी में करेंगे ना। सो रिमेनिंग 50 बच गया, इसमें क्या करेंगे, 25 किलोबाइट स्टोर करा देंगे। तो यहाँ पे 25 किलोबाइट स्टोर करा दिया, तो बच गया कितना, 25 किलोबाइट रिमेनिंग बच गया यहाँ पे। उसके बाद 125 किलोबाइट इसको कहाँ पे स्टोर कराएंगे, 125 किलोबाइट को कहाँ पे स्टोर करेंगे, यहाँ पे स्टोर करा देते हैं। तो ये 125 किलोबाइट हो गया। ओके, सो रिमेनिंग कितना बच गया यहाँ पे, 25 किलोबाइट। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट इज 50 किलोबाइट। 50 किलोबाइट को स्टोर कर सकते हैं क्या यहाँ पे, नहीं कर सकते। यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं क्या, नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज दोनों जगह स्पेस तो है बट स्केटर्ड स्पेस है। यहाँ पे 25 है, यहाँ पे 25 है, तो कहीं पे भी स्टोर नहीं करा सकते, राइट। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि ये सेटिस्फाई नहीं होगी, मीन्स बेस्ट फिट के अकॉर्डिंग क्या नहीं कर सकते, सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर सकते इसको। यस, नाउ इज इट क्लियर। Clear, okay. Now let's see the worst fit. According to the worst fit, can we satisfy the request? So according to worst fit, can we satisfy the request? Let's see. So for the worst fit, we'll look for the largest sufficient partition. So what is the largest sufficient partition, this one. So 300 kilobyte will store here, 300 kilobyte. Okay, remaining one is 50, so 50 is remaining. Now next request is 25 kilobyte. So 25 kilobyte where to store, लार्जेस्ट सफिशियंट पार्टीशन। अब इनमें से, इन दोनों में से लार्जेस्ट कौन है, यहाँ पे 50 किलोबाइट है और यहाँ पे 125 किलोबाइट है, तो लार्जेस्ट ये वाला है, तो इसमें स्टोर करेंगे 25 किलोबाइट। तो रिमेनिंग कितना बच गया पार्टीशन, रिमेनिंग पार्टीशन इज 125 किलोबाइट। ओके, नेक्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट इज 125 किलोबाइट वेयर टू स्टोर। सो 125 kilobyte we will store here. Okay, next remaining is 50 kilobyte. 50 kilobyte where to store, in this partition 50 kilobyte will store, and we have satisfied all the request. So according to the worst fit also we can satisfy the given request. इसका मतलब according to the first fit and worst fit we can satisfy the request but not by the best फिट। तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, हमेशा ये नहीं कह सकते कि बेस्ट फिट है तो वो बेस्ट ही काम करेगी, कई बार बेस्ट फिट काम नहीं करती है। ओके, सो इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल। Okay, fine. Now we'll discuss about the non-contiguous memory allocation method, because in variable partition scheme also there is a external fragmentation, right. So here it is suffering from external fragmentation, so we'll move towards the non-contiguous memory management techniques, right. So non-contiguous, first one is paging. So what is paging? Paging is a technique of mapping the logical address into physical address, right? So mapping the logical address into physical address, this is what the paging. And here's some basic terminology. Firstly we'll understand about that one, and we'll do the paging. So here this is what physical address space, that is the space of main memory. Okay, physical address space, that is the space of main memory. Logical address space, that is the space of secondary memory. For this time you can assume it is the space of secondary memory, later I will tell you the story. Okay, so here it is space of secondary memory. Now some of the terminologies are given. Logical address space, or we can say virtual address space, that can be like 4 kilobyte or 4 kilobyte. If it is memory is word addressable, it is this one. और memory is byte addressable, we can say 4 kilobyte. और word addressable है तो 4 किलो word हो गया, 16 किलो word हो गया, like that. Next is logical address और virtual address. So this is what 12 bit. So bits के फॉर्म में क्या होगा, आपका लॉजिकल एड्रेस या वर्चुअल एड्रेस रहेगा. लॉजिकल एड्रेस स्पेस या वर्चुअल एड्रेस स्पेस किसमें, वर्ड के फॉर्मेट में मिलेगा या बाइट के फॉर्मेट में मिलेगा. नेक्स्ट फिजिकल एड्रेस स्पेस. फिजिकल एड्रेस स्पेस ये भी किस में मिलेगा, या तो वर्ड के फॉर्मेट में मिलेगा 2 किलो वर्ड, या बाइट के फॉर्मेट में मिलेगा 2 किलो बाइट. ओके, एंड फिजिकल एड्रेस हियर इट इज 11 बिट, तो ये किसके फॉर्म में मिलेगा, बिट्स के फॉर्म में. इसका मतलब ये जो एड्रेसेस होंगे, लॉजिकल एड्रेस या वर्चुअल एड्रेस, दिस इज ऑफ बिट्स, एंड फिजिकल एड्रेस दैट इज ऑल्सो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बिट्स. So logical address, physical address, that will be in the form of bits. Now confirm me, is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Now let's see the question. So here this is the question given, that logical address is 28 bit, physical address is 12 bit, then find the logical address space and physical address space. Okay, so if it is logical address given as 28 bit and we want a logical address space, then it will be 2 power 28 byte or word. assume word addressable memory, so it is 2 power 28 byte or word. so ये जो 28 bit थी ये 2 की पावर में हो जाएगी, right? so now we can say it is of 2 power 28 word. This can be written as 2 power 8 into 2 power 20 word, and this can be written as 2 power 8 means 256, and 2 power 20 means mega, and word is word. So 256 mega word, that is the size of logical address space. What is the size of physical address space? Let's take. So physical address is 28 bit, 12 bit. Physical address, that is 12 bit. Now physical address space is what? Physical address space is, will write down in 2 power 12, and here it is unit is word. Okay, so here it is 2 power 12 word. 2 power 12 word means this can be written as 2 power 2 into 2 power 10 word, and further this can be written as 4 किलो वर्ड. ओके, सो इसको 4 किलो वर्ड बोला जा सकता है. सो फाइनली दिस इज व्हाट द फिजिकल एड्रेस स्पेस, right? And this is what the logical address space. Now confirm me, is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Now let's see the next question, that is logical address space is given as 256 kiloword and physical address space is given as 128 megaword. Then find the physical address and logical address. Now the reverse case, right? Now logical address space is given, this logical address space is given, but we don't know the logical address, right? And physical address space also given, we need to find out the physical address also, right? Okay, how to find out, let's see. So logical address space is given as logical address space, that is equal to 256 kilo word, right? And we want the logical address, we want the logical address. Then this can be written as 256 means 2 power 8, kilo means 2 power 10, right? And word is word, then it is 2 power 18 word, right? Then 18 is nothing but the bits, right? So which is equal to 18 bits logical address, right? So logical address is what? It is 18 bits. Okay, what about the physical address space? So physical address space is given as 128 megaword and we need to find out the physical address. So you can write down this one like 2 power 7 into 2 power, mega means 20, 2 power 20 word. Now this can be written as 2 power 27 word. Now this is nothing but 27 bits, which is the logical address, sorry, physical address, right? So physical address is 27 bit. Now tell me, is it clear to all? Yes. Clear. Okay, fine. Now let's see the next question. So here logical address is 13 bit, physical address is 12 bit, page size is 1 kilo word, page size is 1 kilo word. Then find the number of pages and number of frames, right? So we need to find out the number of pages and number of frames. So what is the formula for number of pages? Logical address space divided by the page size. Logical address space divided by the page size. Number of frames, number of frames is physical address space divided by the frame size. Okay, so here page size is given, frame size is not given, so we can say page size and frame size that is equal, right? पेज साइज इक्वल टू फ्रेम साइज इन केस ऑफ पेजिंग. ठीक है, तो पेज का साइज और फ्रेम साइज क्या होता है? इक्वल होता है. तो दोनों में यूज कर लेंगे फ्रेम का साइज ये वाला। So first thing we need to find out the logical address space. So tell me what will be the logical address space? Logical address is 13 bit. Then what will be the logical address space? And memory is word addressable. Here kilo word is given. So memory is word addressable. Memory is word addressable. Logical address is given as 13 bit. Then find the logical address space. Tell me what will be the logical address space? 8 kilo word. That may be the right answer. What about others? Let's see. So here logical address is 13 bit, then logical address space, that is 2 power 13 word. Okay, that may be the right answer. Let's see. So 2 power 13 word, that is equal to 2 power 3 into 2 power 10 word, which is equal to 2 power 3 means 8 and 2 power 10 means kilo and word means word. So 8 kilo word, that is what? Physical address space. Physical address space, that is equal to 8 kilo word. Physical address space, that is equal to 8 kilo word. Okay, so now we can find out the number of pages. Number of pages is what? Number of pages, that is equal to logical address space divided by the page size. What is the logical address space? It is 8 kilo word. What is the page size? Page size is given as 1 kilo word. Word to word cancel, and here it is 8. So number of pages will be 8 inside the memory. Number of pages, that is 8. So is it clear to all? Yes, what about others? Neetu and Ruby, got it or not? Okay, fine. Now try for the number of frames. What will be the number of frames? So for finding out the number of frames, firstly need to find out the physical address space. So what will be the physical address space? Yes, what will be the physical address space? 4 kiloword. Okay, so here physical address is 12 bit, so we can say it is 2 power 12 word, and this can be written as 2 power 2 into 2 power 10 word, and this can be written as 4 kilo word, 4 kilowatt. So here physical address space is 4 kilowatt. We need to find out the number of frames. Number of frames that is equal to physical address space divided by the frame size, and I told you that frame size and page size that is equal, so we can say here frame size is 1 kilowatt. Okay, so physical address space is 4 kilowatt, frame size is 1 kilowatt, 1 kilowatt, cancel out. So number of frames are 4. Okay, so inside the main memory, number of frames that will be 4. Here it is 0 1 2 3, total are 4. So this is what the physical address space. And logical address space, number of pages that will be 8, right? Number of pages that will be 8. Here it is 0 1 up to so on 7, 0 to 7 8. This is what the logical address space. Now tell me, is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Now let's see one more question. Try for this one. Logical address is given as 16 bit, physical address is given as 13 bit, then and page size is same, it is 1 kilowatt. Then find the number of pages, and number of frames. Yes, find out what will be the number of frames and number of pages. Okay, 64 number of pages. 64 pages. Okay. Number of frames are 8. 8 number of frames. Okay, that may be right answer. We'll verify that one. Yes, what about Neetu and Ruby? डन। तो आंसर क्या रहेगा? सेम और डिफरेंट? Okay, let me simplify once. So here logical address is 16 bit. 16 means we can say logical address space, that is a 2 power 16 word, right? Here it is 2 power 16 word. And what about next? We can say it is 2 power 16 yani 2 power 6 into 2 power 10 word. Okay, and which is equal to 64 kilo word. This is what logical address space. What about the physical address space? Physical address space, that is equal to 2 power 13. 2 power 13 can be written as 2 power 3 into 2 power 10 word. Okay, this can be written as 8 kilo word. 8 kilo word. So we go to the physical address space, logical address space. Now we need to find out the number of pages. Number of pages is what? It is a logical address space divided by the page size. So logical address space is this one, 64 kilo word, divided by the page size. Page size is 1 kilo word. Page size is 1 kilo word. So 1 kilo word, kilo word to kilo word cancel, and 64, okay, remaining is 64. So 64 number of pages will be there. What about the number of frames? So number of frames means physical address space divided by the frame size. Physical address space is what? It is 8 kilo word. 8 kilo word divided by the frame size. Frame size is what? Frame size is page, frame size and page size equal, so it is 1 kilo word. Kilo word to kilo word cancel out, remaining one is 8. So here number of frames are 8. Okay, so is it clear to all? Okay, okay, fine.